Hi there viewers, today I will be teaching you how to play Tut's Tomb. Tut's Tomb is a solitaire game where one tries to free King Tut from the top of the pyramid using mathematical equations and such. So to play this game, you're gonna need a deck of cards and a brain. I for one am going to be using my Rick and Morty playing cards, but any deck of cards will do. To set up, you get your king of spades, but any king will do, and put it at the top. Then you give your deck a good shuffle, which I already have done, and you start placing them down like this. And then you start the next row. All the cards have to be on top of each other. This process repeats until you have 7 rows. Once you have completed the pyramid, it should look like this. To play the game, you need to free King Tut from the top of the mountain, as I said in the introduction. But to do this, you need to add cards together. You need to add cards together so they will equal 13 in the end. The king, in this scenario, is worth 13, so a king can immediately be taken out. But as you can see, I can't take this king out because he's locked by these 2 cards. The queen is 12 and the jester is 11. So, as you can see, I have a pair over here. Queen 12 and ace is 1. So I'm going to remove these. I still can't take the king out because I still have a 9 over here. And the 9 needs a, bear with me here, a 4. As you can see, there are no possible matches. So I'll go into my draw pile, which are the leftover cards from this, and I'll draw. Here's a 9. Is there a 4 for me to put that 9 into? No. I'm going to draw again. A 3. Is there a 10? Yes. But pretend there wasn't a 10 here. If there wasn't a match, I could have either put this on top of this pile or created a separate pile. There can only be 2 piles in the game, so that if a 10 comes along, I could get rid of this one. But this is hypothetical. So we're going to remove this 10 right here. Are there any more tears? No. So you have to draw again. That's a 5. Is there an 8 to complement the 5? Because 8 plus 5 equals 13? No. So I put that in a separate pile. 2. Is there a jester to complement the 2? There appears to not be a jester. Some strategy for everybody. I'm going to put the 2 over here because there are no 8s in this entire thing. So I don't think I'll ever use the 5. Here is another 5 again. I'm going to put that over there. Nope. I think over here is a better option. Here's an 8. Get rid of that. A jester. This is my 2 being complemented. Getting very unlucky here. A 5. I'm going to put that right on top of my other 5. A 9. No more 4s. I'm getting very unlucky. A 2. There are no 2s. A 4. Finally. There we go. Now this king can be freed because he's already 13 value. This 5 needs an 8. This 6 needs a 7. The ace needs a queen. This 10 needs a 3. Draw again. A 9. 9, there are no 4s. So I'll put that on this pile here. 10. There are no 3s. So my brain says I will put that here. This is a very bad game. I'm not getting any pairs at all. But it's okay. A jester here. Can remove this too. A queen. And finally, remove this ace from here. And remove this king. We draw again. A6. There are no 7s on the board except for that one, which will recently appear. So I'll put that there. There are no aces. I'll put that there. There is an 8, which complements a 5. 3 and 10. 7 and 6. Oh, I just realized I didn't even have to put this here. Okay, not paying attention. King, because I've got a whole new set of cards. There's an ace over here that I left behind, so that goes with the queen. This jester is a 2. Is there anything else? There is a 9 that I can get rid of. So I need a 10 or a 2. Let's just hope I get a 7 to complement this 6 right here. There's a 10. Now I need a 2. An ace. Since there's a 2 in this pile over here, which I placed before, it's in there, I'm going to place all my cards in this pile so I can get to the 2 as fast as possible. An 8. There are no 5s available, so I'll put that there. A 6. There are no 7s available. I'll put that there. A 2. There's a jester. As you can see, there are no more possible matches since these are both 6 and there's no available 7s for me to place since these 2 are locked. This means that I lose and King Tut stays trapped in the tomb. All you can do now is just reset and hope you get luckier next time. This is how to play Tut's Tomb.